Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from eLearning Portal. In today's video, I will show you how to add an assignment to your iSpring Learn project. Okay, so let me first show you what an assignment looks like. Here's my banner image, my title of my assignment. Then I provide instructions for the students to follow. And right below, I can have attached files like templates for the students to follow. So let me show you how we can set this up in iSpring Learn. First, we need to go to our learning content. Then, top right hand corner, click on Create, and then select Assignment. First, we need to provide a name for our assignment. So let's call this I'll call it Computer Application Technology Assignment 1, and I'll press Enter on my keyboard. Under the General tab, we can provide instructions for the student. So I already have my instructions ready, so I'll copy and paste it in here. So my assignment consists of 4 phases, and these are the 4 phases that students needs to adhere to. Okay. Then I can add an attached file. So I'll click on Attach File. I'll go to my folder, Documents folder. Then I'll select the actual document that I want them to focus on. I can provide a passing score, which I will leave on 80%. I can also assign an instructor to this assignment. Maybe you want someone else to mark the assignment. You can assign it here by clicking on Add Instructor and search for the instructor there. Then if I scroll down, I can change the name of the title of the assignment. I can add tags. Then let's call this assignment. Press Enter. Computers. Press Enter. That's about it. I can change the thumbnail and I can change the cover image. Here I can copy the link, so I'll copy that, but first I'll save it. Okay, so it's saved now. So now I can preview my assignment by clicking on Preview. It will then show me the header image, the name of the assignment, then the instructions learners need to adhere to, and then my attached document. Okay, let's close this. Under the Notifications tab, here we can set the notification that gets sent to the students upon enrollment. So we can change this if we want to, but we can leave it as is. If we scroll down, we can notify users about the due date of the assignment. So here it's 1 day prior to the due date, but we can set it to 5, 7, or even minutes, hours. I'll leave this for now. Completion notification. This gets sent to the admin for marking purposes. So once the assignment is completed, the admin will be notified and he or she can mark the assignment. Let's save this. Under the Availability tab, here you can specify rules for auto-enrollment. So if you click on Add a Rule, you can specify when the learner gets automatically added to the enrollment. And you can specify further here. And also here you can search for a group. I'll delete this for now. Self-enrollment. If you allow this, you can specify here where the self-enrollment needs to happen and learners can self-enroll. And you can also specify here that the learners need administrative approval to view this course. For now, I'll leave this unchecked. You can also specify the due dates for default enrollment. So if I specify here for a period, let's say 10 days, or I can, after the due date should be restricted, after that due date, no enrollments will take place. I can set this up accordingly. Okay. For now, there's no due date. I'll save it. Let's click on completion. Under the completion tab, I can enable certificates for this assignment, and I can use the pre-installed template. So if you want to preview the pre-installed template, you can see what it looks like. Certificate of completion, this certifies that. Usually there goes the student's name and then completion of course names on and then the date. Okay, so and for the period, you can set the period is time limited, and it will only be issued according to a time, or it can be unlimited for unlimited period. You can also use gamification features where you can award students points on completion. I'll uncheck this and I'll save. Under enrollments and reports, we'll cover this in later videos. For now, I'm done with the assignment, so let's click on preview, and here you can see my assignment. Let's close this. Let's go back to our dashboard. Once we've enrolled the users to do that assignment, so if we go to learning content, the assignment that we've just created, if I click on the ellipsis icon, I can enroll users from here. I can edit it, I can preview it, I can add it to a catalog, I can collaborate with other colleagues on this, I can copy, move and rename it here, or I can start it here. Okay, so if I enroll users in this assignment or on this assignment by searching for users or doing an advanced filtering and enrolling the students in this assignment, when I end up on my dashboard, you'll see that it will show the ungraded assignments here. Okay, and immediately when I see the ungraded assignments, it will provide me with a title as well as the user, and I can click on grade now, and it will take me to that assignment where I can actually grade the assignment. Okay, so but more on that in later videos. This video is all about setting up the assignment, and I'll cover this feature in detail in subsequent videos. This is how you set up an assignment and where you can actually open the assignment. So here you'll see the assignment that we've just created. Now I like to tidy things up here. I'll move my assignment to assessments. So I can either select it and then click on the ellipsis, move it, or I can just click on the ellipsis here and just move it to where I want to move it. So I'll open the folder here, and there's my assessment folder, and I'll move it to there. Also my page, you see I don't have a folder called pages, so I'll create a new folder. I'll call this pages. I'll create the folder, and I'll move my pages to that particular folder. So I'll move it to my pages. Move. Now it's nice and tidy. I really hope this video was helpful in showing you how to set up an assignment in iSpring Learn.